Discover the best breast cancer hospitals in India and get answers to frequently asked questions, FAQs, in this comprehensive video. Find out about the leading healthcare facilities, services offered, and expert care available for breast cancer patients in India. Best Breast Cancer Hospitals in India Top 10. Apollo Proton Cancer Center, APCC, Chennai, known for its world-class facilities and experienced oncologists. Apollo Hospitals is a trusted name in healthcare. APCC have a proven track record of successful breast cancer treatments. Medanta, the Medicity, Gurgaon boasts impressive success rates in breast cancer treatment. With state-of-the-art infrastructure and a multidisciplinary approach, it is highly regarded in the medical community. Fortis Memorial Research Institute, Gurgaon is recognized for its expertise in delivering successful breast cancer treatments. Known for its cutting-edge technology and a team of skilled oncologists. Tata Memorial Hospital, Mumbai is renowned for its high success rates in breast cancer treatment. It is a pioneer in cancer care in India and has a strong reputation for providing comprehensive and cutting-edge treatment. HCG Cancer Center, Bangalore has a long-standing history of successful breast cancer treatments and research. Known for its comprehensive breast cancer care services and a supportive environment for patients. Artemis Hospital, Gurgaon is known for its high success rates and advanced treatment modalities for breast cancer. Known for its state-of-the-art facilities and a team of dedicated oncologists. Max Healthcare, Delhi is known for its high success rates in breast cancer treatment and patient outcomes. Known for its modern facilities and a patient-centric care model. Aster Medcity, Kochi is a premier medical institution known for its exceptional outcomes in breast cancer treatment. Known for its cutting-edge facilities and a collaborative approach to cancer treatment. Manipal Hospitals, Bangalore has a proven track record of successful breast cancer treatments and positive patient outcomes. Known for its modern infrastructure and a multidisciplinary team of oncology specialists. Nanavati Max Super Speciality Hospital, Mumbai is known for its expertise in breast cancer cases and successful outcomes. Known for its advanced diagnostic and treatment facilities for comprehensive cancer care. What are the key factors to consider when choosing a breast cancer treatment hospital? Expertise. Look for hospitals with a team of experienced oncologists, surgeons, and support staff specializing in breast cancer treatment. Technology. Ensure the hospital is equipped with state-of-the-art diagnostic tools, imaging equipment, and surgical facilities. Treatment approaches. Consider hospitals that offer a multidisciplinary approach to breast cancer treatment, including surgery, chemotherapy, radiation therapy, and targeted therapies. What are the common treatment options for breast cancer? Surgery. This can include lumpectomy, mastectomy, or lymph node removal. Chemotherapy, administered to kill cancer cells throughout the body. Radiation therapy, uses high-energy rays to destroy cancer cells. Hormone therapy, targets hormone-sensitive breast cancer cells. Targeted therapy, focuses on specific genes or proteins that contribute to cancer growth. How important is post-treatment care and support for breast cancer patients? Post-treatment care plays a crucial role in ensuring the long-term well-being of breast cancer survivors. Support groups, counseling services, and rehabilitation programs help patients cope with physical and emotional challenges post-treatment. How WDI Medical Tourism helps in breast cancer in India? WDI Medical Tourism is a leading medical tourism company that helps international patients seeking medical treatment in India. Was founded in 2010. Please visit www.wellnessdestinationindia.com for more information. Thank you for watching.